Assalamualaikum friend. Today we create number identifier in Microsoft Excel with the help of VBA Coding. Let's start. We here enter 6. Find this number is even. Reset. Enter is a odd number. Let's suppose 9. Find this number is a odd 9. Reset and exit. Let's start our today lesson. First of all, we press Window, press R, type here Excel, press OK. Excel has been opened. Now press go to Developer tab and go to Visual Basic. Visual Basic, first of all we press Sheet 1 and go to Insert tab and Userform. Increase height and width of Userform 1. Insert one label, 2 text box and 3 command button. After this press Ctrl A. Now we change his font style bold, font size is 16 and press OK. First of all we go to form, user form, caption, and here type here number identifier. Now go to here, increase text box to size, command button 1, press here find, command button 2, type here reset, and last command button 3 here exit. First of all label, size increase, go to caption and type here check number, whether even or odd. Everything is okay. First of all we run and see here user form, no button command is working. Go back and type your coding, exit, unload me, go to user form 1, exit, unload me, user form 1 dot show. Now go to our main button, find. First of all we declare his team number as integer, give a number value, text box 1 value equal to number. Now we put our if condition, if our main command is now typing if number mod 2, mod function is used, mod 2 equal to 0, then text box 2 dot value equal to double quote, this number is even, space 2 space, and press and sign even number. Next else statement, if number mod 2 equal to 1. Then first of all our second last copy, control C, control V, only change here is number mod, and press here else, and again control paste copy and only type here double quote, this number is invalid. Finally our program is complete. Now coding complete, and run this program. Let's pause to find this number is reset, check again check what is the problem. The program main value is here problem, control Z, and run program, press 2, this number is even, program is accurately work, reset, here is 1. Now go to save program, save, desktop, micro enable, number finder, number identifier. Our program is accurately saved. And last we request to you, kindly like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel with your family and friends. Let's see another video. Thanks for watching. Kindly support us. Thanks.